Zoleka and Lazarus finally made up. They're over the Mawitu thing. It's Tumeka's graduation day and everyone's at Cosmo for the celebration. Kawa goes on a date with Onga and gets rejected when she tries to kiss him. Feeling embarrassed, she goes over to Mawitu's house and collapses on him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Lazarus is in his feelings about everything that Mawitu told him. He said he wants all the details. Mawitu gave him the details and now he can't take it anymore. He says that he can't live with a liar. Guy is busy packing. Zolega is pulling the clothes here and he's packing. Zolega went on Sati. Then they start talking with how you cannot pretend as if I'm not human. I know I made mistakes. Lazarus is annoyed at the fact that Zolega tried, called Mawitu and wanted one last round. And then Uzolega tells him, I made mistakes. Now you've made mistakes too. Don't blame me for being human. And then commands him, Guta, now come here. Don't pretend as if you don't want me. They start kissing and they make up. And then they start, then they talk in the morning, Gekwa, as in we should be together, like stand together and stand against everyone else that's fighting against us. So Lily and no Sydney, they are together, meaning they've been listening to us for a very long time. So Lazarus says we'll fight them together. Together we can do this. Sizobalwa and Sizonqoba. It's good. It's refreshing to see them back into their good terms because Lazarus was just making things very hard and it was just scary to see because it seemed like they're going to divorce or like end their relationship. Now they go to Kusela at work, all lovey-dovey. Mawitu sees them and is like, is everything okay? As when I speak to Mawitu, how do you ask this question knowing exactly what's everything that's going on? As to Lazarus, yeah, we're good. Let's leave the past in the past. Akasavuyanga umawethu because he sees ukuthi hey, at least now it means we're putting this thing behind us, then he won't lose his job anymore. And then they start talking ukuthi hey, as in we need to be careful, we need to always be like on guard because Lily and no Sydney they're going to strike, but when they strike they should find us ready. And Zolega, she has to go to the graduation party to make and Lazarus was like, yo, are you ready to meet to see Uhlati? I mean, Uhlati is always dramatic. Maybe I should go and see him sweat. Atimara, no, I'm not ready for drama kamabandla. So you go. And then Zolega confesses her love for Lazarus, saying, I do love you deeply, madly. And even though sometimes I want to strangle you, I mean, really, everything that they went through, Lazarus was scaring. So I even told him, "Guti, has the erection act. Sometimes it scares me because then it made me realize what Sazani." And then now, Lazarus also says, "Guti, you should know the feeling is mutual. Atandana Lamantias, they really love each other." And he says that Zolega must know that he's not going anymore. Anyway, he is stuck. She's stuck with him forever. And then Uqhawe is working late. Onga comes and questions him about the Mawitu thing, saying, I heard Mawitu wanting to declare relationship HR are you two back together, And then she asks her, is the offer Puma still standing? Can we go for lunch? Mawitu sees them together. And they're preparing to go out for lunch. You can just see what Mawitu is hurt. And then they leave to go for the lunch. When Luluma wait, where's Ulo? You can see Onga is rubbing it in, saying, hey, Sonjik. You can just see what his hair. Ulo and then comes and be like, hey, it seems like there's something going on between these two. Everything that his cousin has been saying is true because now it means these ones are dating or or whatever it is, but they look cozy and very comfortable around each other. Then they go to at 3 shots. They get there. Kawe orders Kawe is like you have to look like a private school person. The private school stack up. I'd say when I grew up, look in mina. And then Kawe orders a Long Island, and Onga orders a Coke. That's how you don't drink. I'd say I stopped drinking, but it's a story for another day. I wonder why Onga ended up stopping drinking. Maybe there's a story there. And then yes, my office relationships they difficult. But one of my Lazarus they're good. One of their peers they're on the same level. If imagine dating a junior as a senior, like you'll be accused for favoritism and all that. It gets complicated. At why now you need to go to graduation and you're on your 4th in Long Island. So you need to go. Let me take you home. Then it's okay, fine. You can take me to Princeton. So they hug. Mama hug because I wanted to go to Princeton and change Kwazolega and then go to Cosmo. After hugging, Uqhawe attempted a kiss. Onga rejected it, saying, we can't do this because you've been drinking and I don't want this to be misread. Uqhawe apologizes for misreading the situation and says, yeah, I'm gonna need I'll just gonna Uber myself. I embarrassed to girl, goes to change Bryanstein. Where's the gun for graduation Tumega? And then goes to Mawethu's place. Mawethu is shocked with her wins and up, like it's just shocking because Uqhawe made it clear that they'll never get back together. Uqhawe now is post Mawethu asking him if I attempted to kiss you, would you reject me? Can just see what Uqhawe's head with Onga rejected her kiss. So she wanted to go to someone that's gonna make her feel better because she knows Mawethu is crazy about her. Ngapha uqhawe ubhizi kwamawethu while i-graduation i-celebration kaThumeka is going on, the dinner, everyone is there. Uzoleka came, they're wearing their gowns. Uhlathi is wearing a gown. Uhlathi ugraduate nini kanene and for what? So the whole family is there. Nontsiki bandla. Nontsiki is even looking beautiful today. They're all congratulating Thumeka. Nozoleka is there. Thumeka was happy that his sister is there. It meant a lot for her to come. Uthandeka was right. It's going to mean a lot for Thumeka if you come. I'm glad that she decided to put everything behind aside and just come to the graduation. Uhlathi is looking so proud, like a proud husband. Yes, he looks decent today. He's not the usual Hlathi that we know. Nontsiki is looking beautiful today. And announces ukuthi Thumeka has gotten the job esibhedlela. Caregiver abantu who's going to start on Monday. These are good news. As Thumeka is graduating and then she gets news that she got the job at the hospital. These are really good news for her. They celebrate, they're happy. And then Hlathi also says she's proud of her. It's just happy vibes, man. And then uLikamva decided uzoletha uZethu for and introduce her to the family. And then he stretches out his hand. It's so cute, holding her, and then wants to announce to the family ukuthi uZethu is his girlfriend, and they're together now. And he wants to spend he thinks that he's gonna spend the rest of his life with uZethu. Hey, it was just like cute, man. Everyone, I won't say that umithisile uLikamva. And they laughed about it and they were happy for them. It was so cute, man. uLikamva introducing girlfriend yakhe uZethu did say she has never been introduced, nearly alone being asked to be someone's girlfriend. So the whole family was happy for them and just cheering for uLikamva and uZethu. Surprisingly, Hlathi even said congratulated uLikamva, saying he's proud of him, which was nice, man, to see Hlathi happy for uLikamva. And then uqhawe instead of being a graduation kamamakhe uThumeka, ubhizi nomawethu in bed, and I think they were just when they were about to have sex, uqhawe gets the pain again, that the pain she normally gets. Now umawethu is shocked because what's going on. Qhawe then looks like it's like uqhawe is like weak, and then Qhawe collapses on umawethu. What a mess. Umawethu is just getting out of this Zolega Lazarus thingy. Now uqhawe uzocollapsa kwakhe. Like, what is this? Yo, poor Mawethu never gets a break. I wonder what's going on. I hope uqhawe alright, because they're just gonna go off at him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.